All right, I want to give you all just a best practice, new car, old car, but especially if you're just ceramic coated, paint sealed, waxed. Opening and closing the doors, you need to always stick to the handles. Open, close, handle the whole time. You don't want to touch the black part. You don't want to touch the sides of the doors. Always stick to the handles. Now what that's gonna do is keep all your oils and debris, contaminants, all that on the door handles rather than on your paint, on your trim, which then if it gets baked on, you're gonna probably have some troubles trying to get that stuff off. So try to make it, no matter what, stick to the door handles, opening and closing the door. Quick tip secret,